Hello everyone. Today we're going to be finding the area of a triangle, but we're actually going to be using trigonometry to find the area of a triangle. So the area formula for an area of a triangle is 1/2 b times c times the sine of a, but I want to show you where that comes from. So let's say we have this triangle here. Now normally with finding the area of a triangle, we go base times height divided by 2. And the height is like the altitude, the highest point to the bottom. So let's draw that altitude. I'm going to make this a 90-degree angle. Now let's just say that I wanted to find, using trig, the height of that triangle using angle A. So if I'm going to use angle A, I don't know the bottom part here because it's only part of B, but I do know C, which is the hypotenuse. So if I wanted to find the height, that's going to be a sine problem. So I would have the sine of A equals opposite, so I'm just going to call it x right now, over the hypotenuse, which is C. I don't know what any of those are. That's okay. So if I multiply both sides by C to clear my fraction, I get that the hypotenuse is C times the sine of A. So I'm going to write that in there. So this is going to be C times the sine of A. So if I look at this triangle now in terms of 1/2, which is that part right there, times the base, this is our base, times the height, this part right here is the height of that triangle. So it is still a 1/2 base times height, like a normal triangle from like 6th grade, 5th grade, but it's using trig because we don't actually know the height and we don't have enough information. So for a problem like this, the things that we're going to need to know are an angle, so terms A, one of the sides C, and the base B. So I want you to look at where they're located. That means it's an angle that is included with two sides. So this is like a side angle side. The angle needs to be included in those two sides. So here's a problem we're going to try. So we have the included angle is 104 degrees, and the two sides are 8 and 9. So the area is 1/2. Now we're going to multiply the two sides, 9 times 8, times the sine of 104. So if you input all of the pieces and you put it into your calculator, you're going to get about 34.9 centimeters squared. Okay, let's try one more. So here's a triangle that has 87 degrees. It is the included angle to the 21 and 32. So to find my area, I'm going to do 1/2 times the two sides, so times 21 times 32, times the sine of the included angle. And if I were to put all of that into my calculator, I would get about 335.5, and then it's units squared because it doesn't actually have any units. So that is the formula that you're going to be using for finding the area of a triangle using trigonometry. Your word of the day is area, and your assignment is trigonometry and area. Have a great day.